I wanted to share how I gate check my Baby Jogger City Select. I've been flying with my twins since they were babies, and I have all the travel tips and hacks. Make sure to see the description below if you want to know more. I find that it's easier to do this before you board the plane because it can get so hectic right at the entrance of the plane, and there's not a lot of room to do this. I first take off the 2 seats, I stack them, and then I put them in this travel stroller bag. You don't have to put the seats in a bag, just make sure each item that you're leaving at the door has a stroller tag. I prefer putting them in the bag just because it prevents the seats from getting damaged, and I like keeping them all together in one place. The last thing I do is take these adapters off and throw them in the bag with the seats. You don't have to take these adapters out. It's just one less thing to worry about getting damaged or lost, and I want to keep all the parts together. Make sure you tie it up good, and then I set it on top of the stroller frame to push it down to the front door of the plane. It just makes it easier to get it there. Once I get to the front of the plane, I just drop my bag and then I fold up the frame and I set them aside with the other strollers. Make sure the frame has a stroller tag and the bag has a stroller tag. Every item needs one. If you want more tips on flying with your toddler, see the description below.